Hello everyone, welcome to Basic English subject for grade 9. The topic for today is the past perfect tense, presented by teacher Vani Gurkun. Are you ready? Let's get started. Past perfect tense. The functions of the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense refers to a time earlier than before now. It is used to make it clear that one event happened before another in the past. Let's talk about what is the difference between past perfect tense and the past simple tense. In this topic, there are two events. The first event, we use the past perfect tense. The form is subject plus had plus verb 3. For the second event, we use the past simple tense. The form is subject plus verb 2. Structure of the past perfect tense in affirmative form. It is subject plus had plus verb 3. For example, we had gone out before he came. The first event, we had gone out, that we use the past perfect tense. And for the second event, before he came, we use the past simple tense. Next, let's talk about the structure of the past perfect tense in negative form. It is subject plus had plus not and plus verb 3. For example, we hadn't gone out before she came. The first event, we hadn't gone out. We use the past perfect tense. For the second event, before she came, we use the past simple tense. Next, let's talk about the structure of the past perfect tense in a question form. Start with have plus subject plus verb 3 and ends with question mark. For example, had we gone out before he came? We can answer, yes we had, or no we hadn't. In these examples, event A is an event that happened first, and event B is the second or more recent event. I had saved my document before the computer crashed. Event A is I had saved my document. Event B is before the computer crashed. For the first event, I had saved my document, we use the past perfect tense. Before the computer crashed, we use the past simple tense. Another example, he was very tired because he hadn't slept well. This sentence starts with event B is he was very tired. We use the past simple tense. Event A is because he hadn't slept well. We use the past perfect tense in a negative form. He was very tired because he hadn't slept well. Let's practice together. Fill in the blank with the correct verb of the past perfect tense or past simple tense. Number 1. When I arrived at the cinema, the film blank starts. This sentence starts with past simple tense. So for the next event, we are going to use the past perfect tense. The film had started. When I arrived at the cinema, the film had started. For number 2, Anthony blank meets Tim before you blank introduced him to us at the party. There are two events in this sentence. The first event, we use the past perfect tense. Anthony had met Tim before you introduced him to us at the party, that we use the past simple tense. For number 3, after Fred blank spent his holiday in Italy, he blank want to learn Italian. In this sentence, the first event is after Fred had spent his holiday in Italy. He wanted to learn Italian. So for the second event, we use the past simple tense. For number 4, Susan blank turned on the radio after she blank washed the dishes. This sentence starts with the second event, that we use the past simple tense, turned on. Next is the first event, that we use the past perfect tense, had washed. Susan turned on the radio after she had washed the dishes. For number 5, before he blank sing a song, he blank played the guitar. There are 2 events in this sentence. Starts with the second event, that we use the past simple tense, sang. Next is for the first event. We are going to use the past perfect tense, he had played. Before he sang a song, he had played the guitar. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that you learned a lot from this video. Thank you and goodbye.